Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Nomadic Real Estate Investments LLC. They're looking for a property manager weekend specialist. It pays up to $500 per week. Responsibilities: engage prospective tenants and clients promptly, personally, and with the goal of addressing their questions efficiently by returning messages, ensuring a quick response time. Excite, engage, and educate current clients through calls and emails to educate them about our prospective tenant applications and answering questions. Help Nomadic maintain an optimized showing schedule by replacing cancellations, rerouting, and new showings for leasing agents who show the properties. Actively contribute to the achievement of monthly targets by achieving and exceeding goals. Provide the highest level of client service for emergency issues. Effectively decrease the company's email response time. Perform additional responsibilities as assigned to meet business needs. Requirements: customer service experience required. Positive, enthusiastic, and passionate about the changes in the residential property management industry. Ability to understand and convey business issues and leasing concepts. Strong sense of team mentality and reliability. Strong communication skills and attention to detail. Demonstrate a mastery of all Nomadic and services. Keep up with property management industry trends and local legislation. Ability to work weekends and holidays in a remote environment. All candidates must be able to successfully pass a pre-employment background check. Legal right to work in the United States. Must be at least 18 years of age. Job type: part-time. Pay $500 per week. Schedule: weekend availability. Application question: this is a remote position. Do you have a quiet workplace with a strong internet connection? This position is part-time with an expectation to work Saturday and Sunday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Are you able to work that schedule? If offered a position, when would you be available to start? Education: bachelor's required. Experience: customer service, 1 year required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.